Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Windows Server 2025 evaluation version for free from Microsoft, and how to create a bootable USB using Rufus. This is useful if you want to test Windows Server 2025 before purchasing a license, or if you want to install it on a PC, server, or virtual machine. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Evaluation Center website. You'll find the link in the video description. Here, Microsoft provides a free evaluation version that you can use for testing and learning purposes. On the Evaluation Center page, scroll down and look for Windows Server 2025. Click on Evaluate Now. Scroll down and select Download the ISO option. Now Microsoft may ask you to register before downloading. Fill in the required details like your name, email address, company name if needed, country, and other information. After completing the form, click on Download Now. Next, click 64-bit edition. The ISO file is large, so depending on your internet speed, the download may take some time. After the download is complete, we'll create a bootable USB drive. Now open your browser again and go to the Rufus website. The link is also available in the description. Download the latest version of Rufus. Once downloaded, open Rufus. Now connect your USB flash drive to the computer. Make sure the USB drive does not contain important files because everything on it will be erased. Under Device, select your USB drive. Next to Boot selection, click Select and browse to the Windows Server 2025 ISO file you downloaded earlier. After selecting the ISO, Rufus will automatically configure most settings. Now click Start. Rufus may show additional Windows customization options. You can leave the first two default options selected and click OK. Another warning message will appear telling you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK to continue. Rufus will now start creating the bootable Windows Server 2025 USB drive. This process may take several minutes. Once the status changes to ready, your bootable USB installer is complete. Now you can use this USB drive to install Windows Server 2025 on a physical server or desktop PC. Simply restart the computer, boot from the USB drive, and begin the installation process. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.